Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
Look at it today. We got a snowstorm brewing here. I got a little bit of plowing done already, but we gotta go pick up Seth and his boy, and we are going ice fishing. Just as soon. I gotta plow one driveway on the way, which I'll try to get on recording for you, and then yeah, we're gonna go ice fishing in the snowstorm. So it's gonna be fun. So we'll see you soon. Hang on tight. All right, folks, we're on our way. She's crazy out here this morning. It don't look as bad on the camera from my angle as it really does in real life. But we gotta go to Carmel and pick up Seth, which I already said. She's pretty interesting. And then, I don't know, how long is it supposed to snow today? I don't even remember.
Till 10 tonight.
Till 10 tonight. Oh. So it's going to be an interesting ice fishing trip for sure. It's alright. If we see anything interesting on the way, this windshield's fogging up. We'll capture it. So we'll see you guys soon. Yeah, in the Village Variety. Let's go on in and see how they're doing this morning.
Hello?
This is my sister.
I made some steak, egg, and cheese. Breakfast here.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's on. You want one?
Dad was
Yeah, when I get paid this week, I'll give you that 40 years.
Well, I could definitely use it.
Yeah. Because I haven't seen you and I haven't been out and about.
This is when you get the good ones, Dad.
Well, I did say that when I plowed you, that I wouldn't see that money.
Well, not this week. Well, every time I try to take money out of the ATM, it's not on her.
Alright, we just gotta get this coffee, folks.
I'm substituting my coffee for a bacon bagel.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a pack of USA 100s, white.
I was gonna say you said it right when you grabbed the other ones.
And then I gotta get 40 in gas.
$40. No, I was up and out the door at 4 o'clock.
When you go home at probably like 11, right? I would assume.
No, I don't go home until 1. But hey, I like my job.
So this is the Etna Village Variety. Stop in and get your breakfast sandwiches and your gasoline. They're open.
I'm making them all.
All right, we gotta go get some gas, and then we gotta go get Seth, and then we're going ice fishing. See you later. See you guys in a minute. All right, now we're on our way to go get Seth and little Seth, so we can go plow out that one driveway and then go do some fishing. All right, so I'm gonna drop you on some time lapse so I don't have to deal with this camera, and we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Well, we just arrived at Seth's.
snow. Want to make another swipe? All right, guys. Well, we went to Plymouth Pond and it wasn't plowed out, and so we came here. We're at Hermon now and it's plowed out, so we're gonna get out there and try to do some ice fishing in this snowstorm, see if we catch anything today. I guess people in Maine don't go ice fishing in a snowstorm because I don't see every place we've gone there's nobody. Can't take them anywhere. All right, we're gonna get all of our shit out of the truck and get out there and see what we can do. All right, it's a lot of snow, so we're not going too far out from shore. We're shoveling out a spot to put the shack. So we'll get that all set up, get all of our gear cleaned off from the snow, and then we're gonna do some fishing. So we'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, so this is Hermon Pond. We got a little trailway going. You can see how much snow we got. So that's got his right here. I'm gonna put mine off the other side. So I gotta do some shoveling, and then we'll get the traps in and do some fishing. All right. So storming, we're ice fishing, cause we're crazy. I don't get it. I don't see why people don't go ice fishing when it's snowing. Maybe it's got something to do with like the barometric pressure or something. Seth, there's also covers if your ice holes start freezing up. So I got covers for the ice holes if they start freezing up. Yeah, just go a little bit further out. I'm gonna go in a straight shot. All right, I gotta drill some more holes. I'm going straight here. Yeah, just go about 10 more feet.
Well,
All right, we got the traps all set up and we are sitting here chilling. You can hear the snow. I only could get 3 in because of my Walmart junk.
snow flood is freeze.
Traps over there.
I wrote this in the summer. It's insulated. So you just
We are going to make some warm beverages.
This is what I'm having.
Some Swiss Miss.
Wait, how much of that do you have? You want the lemons
I got
too?
3 in one.
Yep.
You got tea.
I have 3, so Seth's getting one, Aaron's getting one, I'm getting one.
Unless you want one, you can have mine.
No.
The tea's good. I don't know what those are.
No, sure.
That's a tea ball. So I can dump the tea in it, put it in there, and then there ain't stuff floating.
You got 2 of them.
Top and a bottom.
Yeah.
I need that. Oh, okay.
You think you can cook with that? Like put that on the burner?
Probably. You took the top lid
It's
off.
it's
I mean,
the Oak Trail. What is it?
What is it?
Ozark Trail.
Ozark Trail.
might get a little hot.
Nobody likes Ozark Trail.
Somebody want to hold that camera for me? Just so I can jump. I got some tea. Some more of that freeze-dried tea my mom made. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Shell came in at once. Look at the colors in that. Pretty cool.
You dropped my mom.
Shut up, guys.
Well, probably ought to not put the lemons in there. Do you want a lemon?
No.
Seems like how you didn't even turn on the stove.
Oh yeah, I did it. I've never used one of these things before. Pretty interesting. Put that in there. Do you want to make cocoa first?
No, I can use this.
Okay. I'm gonna shut this one off for a bit. Oh, that's the easy
Oh,
way
let's
to
shut
do
it off.
It's the easy way of doing it. Alright, let's see this. Thank you. I gotta get my handle.
That shouldn't take long to heat up at all.
I'm gonna make some cocoa and I'm gonna make some tea.
No,
I'm gonna let that cook for a bit.
still on
Nothing yet. Snowing like crazy out. I'm scared.
No storm.
Alright, we'll see you guys. Freeze-dried ham. Smells good. What? What? Figured I was gonna let that cool off. Now I'll pour it in my cup, in his cup, and then dump the rest out, and you can make your cocoa.
You are gonna regret every bit of that.
What?
Taking a bite of that freeze-dried ham, it is not good at all.
Well,
It's just strange.
It's gross. It's not good. Don't do it,
Let me
Seth.
try a piece.
Don't do it. I tried some the other day.
Just take it and take a swig of water.
No, it should be put into the water and done the right way.
has a very porky taste that way.
I thought it was probably cow.
Tastes like sunflower seeds.
Tastes really porky, like porky pig.
Yeah, it needs to be put back into the water and rehydrated.
Yeah, too.
Just waiting, folks, just waiting. We got a flag! To the side? Oh wow, that's the first flag. Cool.
This ain't helping me.
Giant ice chunks.
Yeah, whose gloves are these?
Mine.
Well, they're my new snowmobiling gloves.
No, those are mine.
Dude, these are like instant. Like, these are perfect for snowmobiling.
So one flag so far.
Huh?
Never fished here, never ice fished here. So we'll see what happens. It's gonna be interesting. These kids are crazy. Oh well, yeah, I wanted to tell you guys I brought the gorilla tape chair today. Still kicking. Yeah, if you don't know about the Gorilla Tape cherry, you should go back and check it out. It's one of my earlier videos, so it's kind of dumb, but it was funny. But we took a couple rolls of Gorilla Tape, we had a chair frame, and we threw it together. But we're just waiting for flags.
Why don't you ever get an eye shot of yourself? There.
This, folks, is the lemon tea. I forgot my cups. Like always, I always forget shit. So, but we make do. So that's the lemon tea. No sugar or anything, but it tastes like lemon, really good. So it's pretty good and it's warm. So let's just make some hot cocoa. And here's the ham. It's almost done, I think. Let's flip her over. I think it's done.
It doesn't even look like it was freeze dried.
Nope. Right back to normal. But yes, this was freeze dried. It's easier to package it in and out too. Well, taste tester. Might be hot. Here, take the whole spoon.
That's good.
Turn back to normal. Anybody else?
I'll take the big piece.
There's more.
Oh wow, that is...
I got that deer sausage, maple deer sausage for later. It's hot, probably.
It's not that bad.
One piece.
I'll take a little piece.
It's like back to normal, but you can still kind of taste where it was freeze dried. But overall, good.
Not my
You know what I
favorite.
mean?
Not my favorite. But it's good. Terrible.
Yeah, it's got that like, it almost tastes like processed. It's salty again though.
Yeah, it is.
When I ate it, oh,
Like that.
oh,
Ah!
oh, don't touch my leg like that again. That was incredible.
Incredible.
It was all the water, I swear.
He uses it was incredible.
Don't spill it.
I like the ham.
Yeah. It's not bad. Whoops, what did I just do that for? That was fucking
Back
dumb.
square one.
Oh,
Even if it was, it would be soft now.
It's like you can feel the holes where it like absorbed the water.
it's a
Yeah.
lot more chewy,
Uh-huh.
but it's salty, but not bad.
Propane.
But if you're going out
Oh, that is so gross.
hiking way out into the woods,
All the
you couldn't
holes
bring
in
a ham slice. You could, but you have to eat it the first night, you know what I mean? Or
Right.
probably wouldn't be good. With this, you could bring it, you could have meat for
Yep.
days. It lasts a long time. It's not bad. It's chewy, and it's not like when it comes right out of the package,
Right.
but into the world comes, I'm fucking, I'm freeze drying all my meat, everything I got.
What if Nana wants to do that?
Frozen like.
Then take them off. I'm telling you, put them off.
All right, guys, we'll see you in a bit.
We
Slushy today, in the hole that is. It's good to get the boys out of the house though.
Check that one.
Yeah, I didn't lift it up. It's just slush. Next time we come out, we'll bring the scoop. She's windy. She's snowing like crazy. But it's nice and toasty in the Eskimo. hold this. It's off to the side. Something ran with it. I don't know if it's there or not. Should be on.
Yep, you're good.
Got it.
He's got it, whatever it is. What do we got?
Big pickerel.
Pickerel, Hermon Pond pickerel.
We got a pickerel, folks. Somebody bring the bait.
Nicholas bait.
What?
Oh yeah, maybe I'll save mine. Ow, ow, ah, ah. That's stupid.
The pickerel have teeth.
I know, but I thought I could get it before he closed his mouth and... Oh, he got it. He got a meal.
See his teeth there.
Yeah, there. See, look at my thumb. I'm bleeding from where he bit me. Oh, he got a meal, folks. See ya. The bait's right there. It's right in front of the shack.
Right in front of the shack. That's big.
Cool. We got a pickerel.
This is miserable. I don't know why I came back out.
It's lovely out. It's a beautiful day in Hermon, Maine.
Hey, it's a good day when you catch a fish.
Only ones out here.
That was a nice one though.
Yeah, it's a good sized pickerel.
How do you even open this? Oh, dying.
Yeah, I might have to bring him in, warm up a little bit, huh?
Yeah, the ice is crystallizing.
Yeah, we can bring him in. Oh, look, I'm bleeding good.
Good sized bait. Got from Village Market in Carmel. Right, Nick?
Correct.
Don't ever stick your hand in a pickerel like that. I thought I could get to the hook before he freaking would clamp down, but I was wrong. Back
job,
in
Dad.
there. There's scoop right here. Swim, little guy, swim. That was kind of cool because I walked out and was like, I'm gonna see if I got any flags, and instantly, look at that. Dude, they can do some damage.
Pickerel bite.
Yeah, it was just one little tooth. Ice Shack Antics. Listen to these guys do. But I'm being the fool out here in the snow. We got one flag and one fish so far.
He's got me tied up. Quick!
Help!
Foolish. They're laughing about something. They're making fun of me, I think.
No. Were we? I don't remember.
They're gonna be all sitting outside in a minute.
I don't remember.
Get out of my ice shack.
Pop Tart?
Pop Tart.
Apple cinnamon?
Apple cinnamon, what is up with you guys? It's brown sugar.
Oh.
You said the same thing.
No, I didn't.
Oh, yeah.
You run out
chocolate
of,
and
you guys run out of oxygen in here? Maybe you should step outside for a minute.
It could be the carbon monoxide, who knows?
It's still coming down. It was hilarious because somebody sitting up, the plow truck driver sitting up there. Well, we first heard him, we heard someone going beep, beep, beep. We thought they were towing my truck. We were all laughing. But we got a little while longer here and see if we catch anything else. It's been pretty fun. Hasn't been bad. Turkey in the freaking ice shack. Just Just walked up and talked to the plow truck driver to see if I was in the way. He said nope. Well, we haven't had that much snow, really, like where they've been plowing around the truck. There's barely any snow. It looks like a lot out here, but up there it's like...
They haven't plowed out here yet.
No, but I meant like standing up there. Standing up there, the snow is like, it's like it's barely snowing. But out here it's like, yeah,
Winter
no,
Wonderland.
yeah, no trees and
It's fucking awesome.
all that. Cool. Cooking up some maple deer sausage now, folks. Can't wait. It's gonna be delicious.
Oh, dude, what happened to this area? Hold on.
Yeah, everything gets shuffled around. All right, we're gonna let that cook up a little bit. Almost done. It's not too bad, actually. It'd be good if you had some eggs and some toast.
We have eggs.
Yeah, I just don't feel like making them. I'm lazy. Pretty good. Maple.
Yum.
Got plates. But, like I said, we make do.
Pittsfield beef, you said? Kenny's cuts.
No more flags since that pickerel. We'll see you soon. I'm gonna eat. Ah, that maple sausage was good. Now I gotta clean out these holes. Excuse me. They like to pick on me when I get out of the shack. Little do they know. Oh, that was dumb. Why'd I do that? This is the one that I have no sinkers on. Pain in the butt. Snack time. What do you got? Ooh,
Sponsored by.
Taste the rainbow.
they're not cookies, they're fruity cake. Some goldfish, and he's got some moon pie cotton candy. Woo! Maybe someday we'll get another flag. We got another flag. Hopefully it's not a hit and run again. Go.
Oh, shoot. Sorry.
What are you doing? Go. Nothing. Damn, that one keeps getting wind flags. Try putting it on the other hook. All right, another wind flag. More snacks. Freeze-dried candy.
This is the life, man.
No, that's a Jolly Rancher, not a Crunch Berry. So, we've been out here pretty much all day. Had 3 flags, 1 fish.
And a pair of cold feet.
A set of cold feet because he brought cowboy boots.
It's like bringing a knife to a gunfight.
Mm-hmm.
I did bring a knife.
Yeah.
And I was the only one that did.
That's exactly what he's saying. He brought the knife to the gunfight. Oh boy. But yeah, we're gonna stay here a little bit longer. If we don't get anything, we're gonna head on out of here. See you in a little bit.
Move.
All right, folks, it's 2 o'clock and it's snowing like crazy. We haven't gotten any flags in like 2 hours, so we're gonna pack her up and head home. It's been a fun time though. Keep on naturing, and we'll see you next time. Peace. All picked up. We're out of here. I got it.